Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you are all well. So let's start today's video. So today's video is going to be a little interesting because I was watching a video that was going a little bit viral where they use these colors to make something very different. So I thought I'm going to use that in resin, and it was looking like something a similar technique that we do with alcohol inks. So I'm mixing two colors, black and white, because I'm going to see which base works really well with this technique. So I'm mixing here the black color, and I will be pouring the black and then white into this mold. First, I will be pouring all the black, and then I will be pouring the white one. And after pouring both of these colors, I will leave this to cure because I want this layer to cure fully, and then we will do the next step that is going to be really exciting. I'm really excited. So these are the colors, these are the popcorn pen. Now you might, a lot of you might have seen that the shots that the artist who paints these, and then they use their heat gun or hair dryer to pop the bubbles or the popcorns or whatever you want to say them. They are puffy paints also, but the texture is a bit different. So that's the reason I wanted the base layer to be cured, and now I want to see what they look like on white and black. Now I'm going to draw randomly. This is first time I'm trying this. I really don't know how this is going to turn out, so I'm just using the colors that go well together because I don't want to create any sort of mix muddy brown sort of different effect. So whenever you're doing something for the first time, it is an experience, and you really don't know what is going to be end with this. I'm sure a lot of you as a kid have drawn with these pen, but using in this way it is really different. So that's what I will be doing here. I will be playing with these colors, and now I'm just going to use them as I can. So you just enjoy the process. So now I'm going to do the swirls that we usually do with the alcohol ink. I'm going to make swirls or different designs, you can say, in these patterns. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here, but I will be doing something. We will see what how the end results will be. So after creating this wall, they say that we have to leave them to dry. So I will leave them, and I will see you after when they are dried. So now they are dried, and this is the fun time. I am using my heat gun. You can use your hair dryer also. So we will see and witness how they will turn out. Just make sure that you do revolve your heat gun, and don't put the heat gun too much on one side. This heat gun is on a low setting, so that's why I am trying it. So I will be using the heat in all different directions. So it's going to take a little bit of a time, but then there will be matching magic happening, and you will see the colors popping. So you just keep on watching. It was really fun to do on my own. I was really enjoying this. And this is the last one. On to the next step, and the next step is that I have already mixed my epoxy and a epoxy resin, and I have mixed a low viscosity resin here. So I'm going to now create that magical effect that we are mimicking the petri dish effect here. So that is the final step. In petri dish effect, you pour the alcohol ink from the back, and you really don't know what are the results, but in this way it was seen, we can see that what is happening here. But still I don't know how it is going to work under epoxy, because as soon as I pour the epoxy on top of these, you can see the colors were a little bit of fading. But we will see how they turn out. So at the moment I'm going to pour the resin on all of these. And then I will leave them to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. Already we can see that how the results were. So I'm really super excited to see. Some of them I can see designs, and some of them I can see a little bit of scenery. So now at the moment I'm just going to remove them. So I'm going to remove all of these out of the mold and I will show you the final look. And as far as I can see that the background didn't affect so much onto the popcorn colors. So now I'm going to show you the close-ups, how they look like. So these are the close-ups, and as I was telling you that the color did fade a little bit, but a lot of them turn out to be really good. I was creating a little bit of fire effect here, but there would be some sort of you can say I might create some more of the designs and see which one works really well. At the moment I was just trying the technique that will it work or not. And the bubbles, you can I'm going to say the bubbles or the popping art or the petri dish effect, different colors create different sort of bubbles, and I think the layer of the color also depends on the size. So actually I was thinking of getting a little bit of smaller, but I think I can't control this. And this one was supposed to be a flower, but all in all it is a lovely technique. There is a little bit of working on this one turned out to be a little bit of, you can say, greenery. And out of all of them, this one was my favorite because there is a scene of a, you can say, field here, yellow flowers, green fields, and that's going further up. So this one was my favorite. I think this is the best one out of this batch. But as much as I will be working with this, I might create something different. But all in all, this was something really fun to do, other than creating the different designs and we always do with the resin. I thought this is something interesting. So yeah, I will link everything in my description if you like to treat yourself. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And also please do let me know in comments if you have any tips and suggestions for me on this technique, or what if you want me to create something specifically. So I will be ready to do that. So take good care of yourself and bye bye.